Have you ever wondered if the food you eat could help ease the pain of arthritis? Millions of people worldwide have arthritis, which affects the joints and can make even the simplest tasks a struggle. But what if there was a way to fight this pain from the inside out? Today, we're diving into the top foods that can help reduce arthritis and joint pain, transforming your diet into a powerful ally against inflammation and discomfort. Let's start this journey with a list of superfoods that can make a real difference. 1. Avocado. First up, the creamy avocado. Packed with potassium, which is a micronutrient with anti-inflammatory effects, is a superfood for arthritis patients. Avocados help reduce inflammation and provide essential nutrients that promote joint health. Imagine adding a delicious avocado to your daily meals and feeling a difference in your joints. Avocado is also a good source of vitamin E. Diets high in vitamin E compounds are linked to a decreased risk of joint damage. Early OA studies show that eating avocado daily can improve your joint health, increase your HDL cholesterol, and lower your LDL, the bad cholesterol. 2. Flax seeds. Next, we have flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. Ground flax seeds release natural oils that reduce joint pain and inflammation. Flax seeds contain flavonoids, well-known anti-inflammatories that can significantly reduce inflammation that triggers chronic autoimmune diseases like arthritis. Flaxseed oil is believed to be effective in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. 3. Almonds. Almonds contain a trace mineral called boron, which helps your bones absorb calcium and magnesium, making them stronger and healthier. A handful of almonds a day can go a long way. Researchers have discovered that almonds contain a good amount of antioxidant vitamin E. Also, the monounsaturated fats from almonds can lower the markers of inflammation, as well as C-reactive protein, CRP. 4. Chicken soup. Nothing beats a warm bowl of chicken soup. The collagen found in bone broth has been shown to improve osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, strengthening the connective tissues around the joints. A 2000 study showed that chicken soup can inhibit neutrophil chemotaxis, or in other words, it can help prevent or decrease inflammation. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another fantastic addition. As we age, our stomachs can become too alkaline, making it harder to absorb minerals. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in water with each meal can boost mineral absorption and support joint health. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years in India as a natural medicine. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural painkiller and healer. Add a pinch of this golden spice to your meals for health benefits. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, which is especially helpful to people with arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help you fight degenerative osteoarthritis, including inflammatory arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, ankylosing spondylitis, and psoriatic arthritis. 7. Peppermint. Peppermint isn't just refreshing, it also reduces pain and inflammation. Enjoy it as a tea, or use peppermint and coconut oil to massage the painful areas. Essential peppermint oil can help reduce inflammation and help stimulate blood circulation. 8. Sauerkraut. Fermented foods like sauerkraut are fantastic for reducing inflammation. Rich in probiotics, they support your gut health, which supports your joint health. A 2021 review concluded that fermented foods like sauerkraut can promote gut bacteria diversity and protect against inflammation. Because sauerkraut is a sulfur-rich food, it is undoubtedly helpful in reducing arthritis symptoms. 9. Matcha tea. Matcha tea, a super concentrated form of green tea, detoxifies the blood, reduces pain, and lowers inflammation. A daily cup can trigger healing at the cellular level. The catechins in matcha tea can help decrease oxidative stress imbalance between free radicals, and the antioxidants contained in matcha tea can prevent inflammation. In addition, matcha tea is good for your immune system and can improve your cholesterol and brain health. 10. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It supports overall health and can reduce joint pain, making it a great addition to your diet. Coconut oil has high levels of antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation and improve arthritis symptoms. 11. Cabbage. Both green and red cabbage are rich in sulfur, a vital component for building bones, joints, cartilage, and connective tissues. Its antioxidants also help reduce swelling and pain. Cabbage contains sulforaphane and camphorol, which are excellent in reducing serum concentrations of inflammatory markers. 12. Krill oil. Krill oil supplements are excellent for reducing joint inflammation and stiffness, improving mobility and movement. A daily dose can make a significant difference. A recent study showed that krill oil, like other omega-3s, could improve rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis symptoms. 13. Spirulina. Spirulina, a powdered superfood, has powerful pain-relieving effects. Adding it to your morning smoothie can work as a natural painkiller. Spirulina contains minerals, antioxidant properties, as well as vitamins. It is also suitable for improving blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol. 14. Salmon. Wild-caught oily fish like salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These help ease pain and tension in the joints. Aim for at least 2 servings a week. In a study of more than 1,550 people with rheumatoid arthritis, RA, who take omega-3 supplements, reported a lower score of disease activities. They have less joint pain and less swollen joints, all because of omega-3 fatty acids, which salmon has plenty of. 15. Garlic. Garlic contains diallyl disulfide, a compound that prevents inflammation. Eating it raw in your meals can help fight pain and cartilage damage from arthritis. Because of diallyl disulfide, an anti-inflammatory compound in garlic, eating garlic will limit the effect of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which helps prevent cartilage damage from arthritis. 16. Ginger. Last, but certainly not least, ginger is one of nature's best healing spices. It has been studied extensively for its ability to reduce pain, especially in the knees. Add it to stir-fries, soups, and drinks for a delicious and healthy boost. In conclusion, as you can see, incorporating these foods into your diet can help manage arthritis and joint pain. Remember to reduce sugar and refined grains, as they can trigger inflammation. And consider a daily supplement of boron to support joint healing. New studies suggest that harmful bacteria from dental problems could contribute to arthritis. So maintaining good oral hygiene with oregano oil might also be beneficial. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health through nutrition. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more tips on natural remedies and healthy living. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.